Is our last start, and it's 5-2 on number 5, Royal Salute. Those are the fancy runners for this Division A of the Nursery Stakes.
So they are all loaded for the Division A of the Nursery Stakes. The Colts and Girlings, 9 runners, Division A of the Nursery Stakes. We've got an Eden's Favourite in horse number 10, Fleetfoot, and they're all away. And Chic on the inside is the one who shows first, and on the far side, Decisive going well. And then comes the favourite Fleetfoot, and then in between them, Royal Salute going up to join them. Caligula is running well on the rail, and then comes Geronimo and Shogun, and Blaze of Colour is last of the lot as they race towards the 800-metre marker. And the one who shows now is Royal Salute, going on by half a length from Fleetfoot, who goes up to challenge. In between horses, Fighting Dan is next. Then comes Chic on a handy rein, followed by Shogun, who's making ground with Decisive. Then comes Caligula backing out of it, and Blaze of Colour making some ground to join them. As they race past the 600-metre marker, the leader is Royal Salute, being challenged now by Fleetfoot. Then back in third is Fighting Dan, about 5 lengths back. Shogun is making some ground in fourth, but has a lot of work to do, and Chic follows. At the corner now, the leader is Royal Salute, being challenged by the favourite Fleetfoot, and Shogun is the other one who seems to be getting into the picture now with just about 300 metres to go. And it's Royal Salute who's being challenged strongly by the favourite on the outside, but Royal Salute is getting the better, and now Shogun is coming into the picture in third. But it's Royal Salute from Fleetfoot, the favourite, and Shogun is quickening, and Royal Salute is coming away to win it. But it's Royal Salute and Shogun, and Royal Salute is coming away from Shogun, and Royal Salute is going to win it. Shogun is second, then comes Fleetfoot in third, and Fighting Dan is fourth. Horse number 5, Royal Salute, a 2-year-old bay colt by Royal Arbiter out of Maybride, owned by Mr. V.R. Gillette, trained by Eric Colt Durant, and ridden by Venice Richards, giving him 3 in a row, a hat-trick for Venice Richards, who rode Royal Salute to victory. Second going to number 9, Shogun, with Francis Susana aboard. Third to number 10, the Eden's Favourite, Fleetfoot. And fourth to the number 6 horse, that's Fighting Dan,